Hey guys, Mrs. Taylor here. I am just going to be giving you a quick review on how to add and subtract fractions for your iReady lesson today. So here we go. Let's get started. All right, so I have a couple problems ready for you. And the first two are addition, the second two are subtraction. So the first thing that we want to remember when we are adding fractions is that our denominator is how many pieces are in the whole. So right here we have 8 pieces. So I'm going to do an 8 in my denominator. And then the numerator is how many pieces are shaded. So we have 1, 2, 3. So this fraction in this picture are 3/8. Then we know we're going to add our next fraction, which is also going to have 8 in the denominator. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces shaded. So now we know that we have 3/8 plus 4/8. And we know that our denominator is always going to stay the same because when we're adding fractions, we're always talking about the same whole. So our answer is going to have 8 pieces total, and 3 plus 4 is 7. Okay, perfect. Now moving on to our circles. Here, how many pieces we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our denominator is going to be 6. And we have 2 pieces shaded. So we have 2, 6. And we know we're going to be adding, checking our symbol right here. Then our next picture represents 1, 6. We have 1 piece shaded out of 6. And altogether, that is going to equal 2 plus 1 is 3, and our denominator stays the same, so we have 3, 6. And if I go ahead and color that in for you guys, you might also be able to tell that 3, 6 is the same as 1/2. So we could write 1/2 here too, if we wanted to. 1/2. Okay, now moving on to subtraction. It's the same exact thing, so we want to make sure that we count how many pieces that we have. So we have 3 pieces out of 4. And here we have 2 pieces out of 4. And since we're subtracting this time, we have 3 subtract 2, and 3 subtract 2 is 1. And our denominator stays the same because we're referring to the same whole. So we have 1/4. So I'm going to go ahead and shade that in, 1/4. Okay, and our last question. We have 5 pieces total. So let me get my pencil ready. We have 4 pieces shaded out of 5. And we are subtracting 2 pieces out of 5. And altogether, that is going to equal 4 subtract 2. And we know that 4 subtract 2 is 2 out of 5. Ooh, that's a funny 5. So we can go ahead and shade in 2 out of 5. I know this probably seems really super basic to you, but I just wanted to give you a quick reminder of what today's iReady lesson looks like. And I hope this is helpful for you. Hope you guys are doing well. See you soon.